In this video, we're going to replace the reflector in the rear bumper in this 2013 Hyundai Elantra. So to gain access to that Phillips screw back there, we're going to remove this clip on the bottom of the bumper. If you need to, go ahead and remove the other two clips leading down to the other side. What that'll do is it'll help you move the bumper away and get you a little bit more room in there. So we'll remove this clip and we'll remove the other two also. Now what that does is it gives you a little bit more room to flex your bumper and get in here. We're going to use a Phillips end on a 1/4 inch ratchet, and we're just going to back this Phillips screw right out. All right, once you have that Phillips screw removed, there is a clip on the top corner right here. If you push that clip in towards the Phillips screw where it was, and then push out on this black button there, you should be able to pop out your reflector. Sometimes you don't need to push in the middle. All right, so now that your reflector's free, I'm just going to rotate it out and down a little. There's a tab here that you need to take out. Now the installation is the same in reverse. I'm going to put that tab in the corner in first, put it in at an angle, twist that into place, pushing in, and then this clip here will need to clip in there. So we're just going to push it like that, and we'll put the screw in on the other side. So now with our reflector in place, we're going to start our Phillips screw by hand. Again, with a 1/4 inch ratchet, the Phillips bit on it, we'll tighten that down. No need to over torque this. You'll end up cracking the plastic on the reflector. Once you feel it's snugged up, another 1/4 turn should be good. What you don't want to do is over tighten this and crack where the Phillips screw threads into like the old one. All right, now to finish it up, we'll go ahead and reinsert our plastic clips.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.